Here's the pitch. And this one hit deep to left field. Going back is Halen. Going back and sayonara. Arrivederci. This one is over.
Came out to left field. This one is back. It's Wigan. Oh my goodness. Don't Shaver, are you kidding me?
The Valleycats have clearly been the class of the New York Penn League this summer. They are a good bet to shatter the franchise record for wins in a season.
Slides home with what turned out to be the winning run. The Cats have that.
Pitch. Popped up. Shallow center field. Rodriguez calling for it. Makes the catch. The season is over. The Tri-City Valleycats are once again champions of the New York Penn League. They polish it off 4-2. They take down the defending champion Hudson Valley Renegades, and they are victorious.